Hello, this is my seventh web technology lab experiment. In the seventh experiment, we have the interactive website between the client and the server. Here we have used both the client and the server side programming actually, and we have an interface which interacts with the user and therefore displays the value as he or she wants. So this has been proved to say one of the utilities of PHP, that the user is able to like select his wanting, and then he is able to retrieve it in the future whenever he wants to. And hence we have one experiment here. We have a shopping website, kind of a mock-up website which we were asked to create, and that includes various things. Like first, the screen should look like this. Then there should be some options for selecting the clothing item, quantity, size, color. On pressing next, what happens is that these all whatever data which we are selecting or the value which we are taking from the user, they are remembered as session elements. Well, session and post, these are some methods which we have used in our program, and these are the super global variables which are very important for remembering or taking the user choice. And then we have the shipping information page. Here we have the name, street address, city, zip code, and many other details which the user wants to feed. And then when we press the continue, we get a order summary page like this. So all this has been created using PHP and HTML. Designing is done entirely using HTML and CSS. Well, I'll show you the website. And it's very essential for us to keep the exam server on, otherwise the PHP projects won't run on our systems. And when that is done, over here. Well, okay. So this is the website. Choose shirts of your choice, shirt type, different checkboxes, clothing items, quantity, size, color, and then I press a submit. Now these choices from the first page are remembered using the session variables, and those session variables I can use anywhere in my program henceforth. So I keep a choice, t-shirt, and then women's clothing. I give quantity as 4, size let it be anything, and color let it be anything. I press a submit, and then I have enter my shipping information. Here in these details I fill in my name, last name, address, city. Like these are my text boxes, and here I need to fill the data, and we'll see that this data is being remembered. Our data what we are feeding in the interface, that is stored somewhere in the server side programming. The PHP scripting is helping us to remember the user interests, how it works. Okay, so CD, let it be Tamil Nadu, let the zip code be anything, let the phone number be anything, and then the email address, me at the date, which will be and then I choose one of these shipping details and then continue. And here, see, here I have this order summary page where name, address, 2 lines of address, zip code, phone number, email ID, and a tabular column of whatever I had chosen is displayed. So this is all done using PHP. I'll show you the code here. First, what I have done is retrieve the name using the super global variable post and giving name. Name is the field which I have given in the text box over here, I'll show here name. Input type is name. Name is also name. So this name is used here to create a variable of this sort. And then same for the address, phone number, and all such similar fields. And then to display in a tabular column, I have a table where I have embedded PHP code in with code between the table, and hence I have been able to retrieve the value. And since I was speaking of session, see here, first we have session start, we started the session, and in the second PHP here I've already declared a session over here, and here I'm simply calling the session item and displaying it. Hence this enables me to get the desired output. And with this, my 7th lab experiment is complete.